welcome back again to this channel, and for today's reaction video, we're going to repeat the Coachella performance of our Beanie. Sa lahat ng hindi makamove on sa Coachella performance nila, ulit-ulitin natin to guys, and sana naman i-upload nila yung ibang performance ng girls, no? So, ang sarap ulit-ulitin, sobrang nakaka-proud, at alam mo yun, kapag inuulit ko, nagiging emotional talaga tayo eh. Pero sana ngayon hindi. Kaya naman, ulitin-ulit natin. Kasi sobrang nakaka-proud talaga sila. Hindi lang pangalan ng Beanie ang dinala nila sa Coachella. Pero, buong Pilipinas! Alam niyo yun? They are so proud of being a Filipina. And we are also proud na umabot ang musikang Pilipino sa Coachella. Diba? Grabe! It was so amazing! Thank you, Beanie, for that. And more global stages to come. Dahil saan man kayo mag-perform, for sure may Pinoy at may Pinoy na susuporta sa inyo, no? And let's do this. So, concept film nung Coachella Week 1. Panoorin natin to. Grabe, di ba? Sobrang gold. Ay! Grabe! Their visuals! Woo! Wow! I love their fits. At gawa daw talaga siya sa Golden Leaf, right? Amazing. Napakagaling. Shout out to Miss Aika. Sobrang galing nyo po na naisip nyo lahat ng ganitong ka-detailed. And then sa second outfit naman nila is yung banig. And I think dito rin yung may baybayin na nakasulat. Tama ba? Dito sa costume na to yung may baybayin. Anyways, everyone is so amazed sa fits ng girls. Grabe talaga. Grabe, di ba, Mika Lim? Woo! Grabe naman, sinundan ni Aya. Tapos si Sheena. Tapos si Gwen. At ni Stacy, sobrang I like her hair. And Joanna, of course, our Ratsam. Sobrang detailed ng ano nila, outfit. Kitang-kita mo eh. Wait, what? Sino yung may piercing sa nose? Can I go? Was that Colette? Sino yung may piercing sa nose? Is it Colette? That was so amazing. Wow, look at them. They're so beautiful. Grabe. Grabe yung concept talaga nila. Whew. That's Beanie. Equinox Manila Productions. Oh, wow. Was nice. And let's move on sa concept film nung Coachella Week 2. Weekend 2. Y2K. Wow, ang ganda. Ay! Ang angas nito eh. Right. Pati makeup nila ang detailed, no? Woo! Sheesh! That's our Beanie! Grabe naman, grabe. Wow! Look at that. The details on their eyes. Wow! Ganda. May lip bite ka dun, hindi galing ha. Studio King? So, it's different production? Wow. Nice. After the on-set film, balikan natin ang performance nila sa Coachella. Wait lang, weekend 1 lang yung in-upload nila, no? Wala pang weekend 2. Sana naman. Coachella, baka naman, i-upload nyo na yung mga performance ng girls natin dyan. Kasi gusto ko ulitin, lalo na yung Out of My Head. Grabe yun. Party-party sila doon. So, unahin natin yung Blush. Hey! Amazing. Bago lang to, pero nakarating sa Coachella, di ba? Wow. Look at them. Woo! Main dancer. Grabe naman si She. Nakakabaliw yung beauty nila. Right, Sheena? The crowd are singing, "Oh Kalame, Oh Kalame." Woo! Gusto ko yung ganung step. Hey! Ay! Angas ni Gwen dun sa paghawak talaga ng mic eh. Sadya yun guys, sadya. Kasi maangas siya. Hey! Woo! Sige, manghata ka dyan, may kalim. Gusto ko yung sumasabay yung crowd. Wow. Amazing talaga yung mga blooms na lumipad para na mapanood ang Coachella. First ever Coachella ng Bini. Ang cute nila. Wow. Sana nabaliw lahat dun sa ISC. Grabe talaga. Galing nila. Hey, si Sheena. Ganda. Ay! Do you hear that? Do you hear that? Of course. Ang next na natin ay Pantropiko na sobrang grabe. Deserve na marinig yan ng buong mundo. Ang Pantropiko. Let's go! Woo! Sorry na. After nung Blush, it's Bikini. It's Bikini! So this time, it's Pantropiko na talaga. Ang angas! Nakailang version na ng dance break yung Pantropiko. The best, the best. Hey, let's go, besties. Galing din ng besties natin eh. Goosebumps talaga sa part ng Pantropiko. Woo! Did you hear that? The crowd!
Ikaw ay nasilayan sa di inakalang panahon. Lumapit ng biglaan para bang di nakataon. Ito na ba'y tadhana?
Let's go, Casey!
Kumiling sa mga tala, mga pintig ng puso'y nakalaan para sa'yo.
Right, Mika Lim. Baliwin mo silang lahat dyan. Akala mo live na eh. Linsing ho! The mic is always on. Parinig nyo! Sa Islang Pantropiko. Sumapit na ang araw. Ay! Nakita kang papalapit. Let's go, Gwen. Si Aya nyo, itinataas. Grabe naman. Yung camera. Dapat nakafocus yun kay Aya. Mga sumasaya. Feels so summer when I'm with you. Parang isang pantropiko. Sa isang pantropiko. Sitting on a white sand, it's I'm in love with you. Cause with you, boy, I'm going crazy. You could be my baby, I could be your lady. Yay! That part! Pagkakatarama. Woo! Hey! Gusto ko yung mga ganong sigaw ni Maloy. Angas, di ba? Isang pantropiko. Pantropiko, pantropiko. Let's go, girls! Ay! My favorite part. Woo! Grabe si Ayo. Grabe na yan. Woo! Yung tatlong yan, bias line ko yan. Bias line ko yan, bias line. Pero OTA pa rin tayo. Woo! Let's go! Our main dancer! Ay! Grabe! Woo! Gusto ko yun eh. na yun. Hindi pa. Ay! Grabe! Ay, hindi pa sila tapos, di ba? Matatapos na ako pero sila hindi pa. Woo! Ang angas. Do you hear that? Right. You shout their name. That was amazing.
We hope you had fun as much as we had. And let's give a round of applause to our besties. We love you, Blooms. You love you, Blooms. Yeah, we are. Pretty Tiffy. Salamat po.
Grabe! Woo! Philippines! Grabe, grabe. That was so amazing. That was so amazing. Wow, look at that! Uy, Philippines! Ay, isa pa. Umisa pa. Right. A, ate, A. Grabe yung Blooms. Grabe yung Blooms. Talagang umabot sa Coachella. The best. Whew! So that's it, guys. Walang magmo-move on sa nangyari sa Coachella. Sana ma-upload din yung weekend 2 dahil nabaliw din ako doon. Nakailang ulit ako. And iba, nung nilabas nila yung bandila ng Pilipinas, sobrang nakaka-proud. The best talaga yung Bini. Yun lang. I hope you enjoyed this and see you on my next reaction video. Bye!
I ain't skipping meals, yeah, I keep my name.